The time has come. Hey, baddies. Hey, 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 hey. So, welcome. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nosi. If you guys are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today, we are doing a full-on eyebrow tutorial. So, it's going to be a part one to this two-part makeup. Should I call it a series? Yeah, a series where I do my ultimate evening glam. So I want to go heavy on the eyeshadow. I want to go heavy on the eyebrows so that they stand out for like night pictures and everything like that. So stay tuned while we do part one of my eyebrow tutorial. So I always start off with brushing out my eyebrows and making sure that they are aligned the way that I want them to. So today I think I need to shave a bit of my eyebrows. So I'm going in with my face shaver to just peel off a bit. So I would recommend that you obviously do this with some sort of like aloe vera gel or some soothing thing that makes it easy. But because I've been doing this for a while now, I just be doing my thing, child. Okay, let's see. My eyebrows, I wish I'm gonna have to tint my eyebrows. The time has come. The time has come that I always thought I had amazing eyebrows and I've tried to enjoy them as much as I can. So yeah, the time has come where they need a tint. Maybe I'm getting old. So take your time. Let me get my mirror that's a bit more zoomed in. Yeah, take your time. Create the shape that you want. And yeah, just want to make this a bit shorter because I find that this one eyebrow is a bit thicker than the other. And it just makes it problematic when I have to draw the eyebrow. Okay, that's better. That's so much more better. Then I'm going to do the other side. So with the other side, I just like to shorten this side a bit. This eyebrow is like extremely long, like for no reason. Like nobody called for this, nobody asked for this, and it's just like, hello, I'm tall. Okay, at the bottom, I think that's perfect. Let me see here. So yeah, you just manage it to the shape that you want. So don't just be chopping off, you know, just take your time with makeup, you know, take your time, have fun, and do all that you need to do for what your desired outcome is like. That's my thing. Like, obviously don't look like a crazy person, but makeup is so diverse. Makeup is so fun. Makeup is so like, it's another form of like creativity and self-expression. And I love my skin, but like it's not spoken about. Like people always say to me that like, why are you always painting your face? And I'm just like, you know what, actually I'm gonna own that. Yeah, I am painting my face and I'm enjoying it. Why? What would you like for me to do? In the words of Kim Kardashian, do you want me to be doing drugs? So leave me alone. Leave me alone. And another thing is I've been feeling so bad with like not knowing every single makeup hack and not pleasing everyone with my makeup. And now I'm just like, I want to enjoy my makeup for what it is and have fun with it. If I need to learn, then I'm going to be learning. If I need to make a mistake, then a mistake shall happen, you know? So leave me alone. But of course, I love constructive criticism. People always think that just because they're telling you their thoughts, it's the right thing to do. Sometimes you need to check like, where is it coming from and how is it landing to somebody else? And then you'll know if it's the right thing to do, you know? Sometimes people just want to share their opinion to share their opinion. And it's like, wow, we all can share our opinion. You can imagine the things I would say, you know? So the next step in this is actually, now that I've shaved my eyebrows, I need to be gluing this down. So we're going to glue this down. So I'm going to go in with my Got To Be glue, and I'm going to try and flatten these out. So Got To Be glue is like a whole gel pot. So you just kind of need to keep the gel pot in the zone if you don't have problems when you are applying your concealer to shape your eyebrows. So I just go in like that just to keep them tamed, and it really helps with the control of where you want the direction of where you want your eyebrows to go and its shape, like, because we don't fill our eyebrows that much anymore. As much as I love 2016 makeup, let me not even say I miss it because it's the only makeup I do. I kind of also like these new trends, especially with the eyebrows. I just love what people are doing. Nigerian makeup. Ooh, so amazing. Like, big ups to you guys. Big ups to you guys. Yeah, I like the shape, and then I'm gonna go over this with a powder. So when I'm flattening down my eyebrows, I like to use some sort of a setting powder, and this is baking powder. So we have banana powder. We have banana powder. So we have a banana powder and we have translucent powder. So translucent powder is definitely helpful if you just want to keep everything literally translucent. So it's more whites, and banana powder is when you're trying to bring pigments or a certain glow from your skin, and it's more, I would say like peachy. Is this peach? It's peachy. Yeah. So depending on the look you're going for, they're different, but they perform the same function. So I'm going to actually go in with a translucent powder because I really like it when my eyebrows are looking sort of 3D, if I can put it that way. So yeah, I'm going to go in with the translucent powder first. So now I'm going to draw the shape that I want with an eyebrow pencil, and keep your eyebrow pencil sharp. Yeah. So now I have drawn the shape that I want, and yeah, I love, I love, I love. And I'm just gonna fill in just a little bit so that it doesn't look like patchy in some areas where the eyebrows are just not cooperating. Just at the tail of the eyebrow. And then I'm gonna use my spoolie and I'm gonna brush it out. Just so I'm spreading the product, and yeah. And now I'm going to go in with my concealer, a lighter concealer at the bottom and something a bit closer to my foundation shade at the top, just to create that more of gradient kind of effect. So I always use a flat brush like this to ensure that the eyebrow concealer goes the direction that I want, and then I wet it up a bit with a bit of water just to flatten the bristles out like that, and so that I'll be able to control the brush easier. So I'm going to go in with a lighter shade at the bottom, and always make sure to keep it highly pigmented. I'm going to start at the tail just so I can use more product on the tail and it can stay, because that's the main concern. And then now I'm gonna mix some of the light product with the top one, with the darker concealer shade. Well, I actually use my foundation for that, and I mix it a bit with the concealer. Why am I messing up this eyebrow? I'm so upset. Now I gotta okay. And then I'm gonna wait for this to dry a bit, and then I'm gonna blend it out. So that's my perfect eyebrow. I just blended out the concealer, and here we are. And what you can do to actually seal in the product is actually apply some baking powder on it and continue with the rest of your makeup. So join me for part 2, where we do the full face beats.
And he's not comfortable going anywhere. Have you heard from our dad? Is he coming or? Last time I spoke to him, he said that he was not going to be able to make it. I don't care. Although it would have been great if he could have attended. Wake up the next day. And make it tighter. That I didn't want him to be invited. Him finding out that